Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Hope you guys are good. I'm actually not good guys, I'm actually feeling quite terrible. And this weather's just adding on to it guys. It's been gloomy and cloudy for about a week now, but that's not gonna stop us from doing today's video. Like you guys just saw on the video thumbnail and title, today we'll be doing the unboxing of the air suspension kit. I think it's over 2 weeks now since we got the kit. Of course I did pick the bed in the box, but I didn't open any of the parts. So today that's what we're gonna be doing guys. And yeah, really hope you guys are just as excited as I am to see what's in that kit. And yeah man, before we go any further guys, like you guys know already, we are halfway to 5k subscribers on our 5k subscriber mark. But like we said on the previous video guys, we're actually heading to 10k subscribers. Please make sure to do that guys. Please click that subscribe button and also just please like the video as well. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a few. Yeah, hope you guys are ready for today's content. Hey guys, I really don't have energy right now, so I'm gonna make a quick stop, get something to drink, get my sugar levels up, then we'll continue with our journey to go do the unboxing. Yeah, we at BP Bears No Deer. Just a quick stop, just a quick one. I'm really pleased over it, but I just need my sugar levels to go up. And guys, look at what this weather has been doing to this car. So filthy. It's brake dust. But the rain now actually quite helped it. But look at how filthy this thing is. It's terrible. But yeah, well, I couldn't wash the car in over a week. And guys, something bad happened yesterday. This thing of carrying too much weight and eats your tire. This is the struggle that I deal with. Now my paint job is messed up. I really want to give a huge thanks to you guys for liking our previous videos, and like you guys listened to our target for reaching 10k subscribers. I gave a look at my analytics and you guys really came along. Well, are coming along nicely. I appreciate that guys. Like now we're sitting on 2.5k subscribers and the next goal was actually 5k subscribers. But ideally, like I said on the previous video, if you guys haven't watched that video, please make sure to go look at it. Like I said, the ideal target is 10k subscribers, and by the looks of it, it really looks like we're gonna reach the target. So thank you guys for that. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. But yeah, we're getting closer and closer to our target. Slowly but surely, I know we're like 75% away from it, but I have high hopes that we'll get there sooner. But yeah guys, I really want to say thank you guys for doing the most. And I also appreciate the comments and your reactions from us getting the new project car, the BMW e30, as well as the big surprise that we actually won, the air suspension kit. You guys have been commenting and congratulating us on getting it. I want to say thank you guys for that. I appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me so far. So yeah guys, it doesn't go unnoticed, but I really appreciate it guys, hugely. And yeah man, it just shows that you guys are really hyped on the whole project build. Oh my god, this road is terrible. But it really shows that you guys are really hyped on the e30 build, which hypes me up even more guys. I don't want to lie. Please continue doing the same thing. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we will get closer to our 10k target. And yeah, thank you guys for that. Peace.
The box Ipokisi.
Okay, and yes boys and girls, before we actually start doing the unboxing of the air suspension kit, I want to give you guys just a little bit of an update on what we have been trying to do with the e30. Actually, these wheel caps, all four actually have been out. I just put them on right now for the visual aspect of the video, but I'm actually planning on refurbishing them. Like these are the other two right now. As you guys can see, this side has no wheel caps. I already have sandpaper. So this is 320 grit, and the inside ones are 600 grit sandpaper. Well, I also got the spray, metallic silver, got 2 of those, a primer, and actually ordered 2K clear. I think I ordered 2 spray cans of that. So yeah guys, we're gonna take these out, sand them down to make sure that everything is all smooth, and we're gonna primer it. Well, of course, we have to clean them up first because these wheel caps have grease and oil. I don't know what else it is, but there's so much dirt on them. So we need to clean them as much as possible. Then send them down with the 320 grit and the 600 grit. And I also want to replace these BMW badges or emblems. So if you guys know where I can get them, I tried I think 2 shops already and they don't have. So yeah, I need to replace these BMW emblems to make them pop more. Then yeah, I don't think I'll be doing another video of me refurbishing them, but I might show in like a minute video in one of the future vlogs of us doing the whole restoration or refurbishment of the wheel caps. And then actually guys, I have another surprise, or a nice gift that my boy Keegan surprised me with. My boy Mr. Keegan bought me mud flaps, guys. I don't know if we might be able to install them today, but we have new mud flaps for the box, boys and girls, before the girls swallow me whole. But yeah, we have a set of mud flaps that we're gonna install soon. I'm not sure if we're gonna install them on this video, but yeah, huge shout out to my boy Mr. Keegan. Please guys, make sure to go and subscribe to his channel. Like I always say on the videos, you'll find the link down the description box below. Please make sure to do that for my boy. My boy is on the road to 1K subscribers. Huge shout out to you, Keith. We're gonna install these pretty soon, boy. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright boys and girls, just like that, we're gonna go straight into the unboxing of the air suspension kit. I'll be taking out the parts inside the boxes and I'll just lay them down on the floor, and then probably thereafter we'll try to figure out what's what. I don't think I'll be able to do that. So I know that some of you guys know more about air suspension kits. I know none. So what we'll do is we'll just lay it down on the floor. What I don't know, you guys will tell me or let me know what it is down in the comment section box, or down the comment section below. So yeah guys, first thing that's obvious, of course, you have the airlines. I don't know if they call airlines, but it makes sense that they call them airlines, right? I think so. So yeah, airlines. And let's start with the most.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Obvious box. We have the tank. Just take it out of the plastic. Yes boys, I don't know if the lighting is good, but yeah, this is the tank. Looks nicely finished, powder coated in black. Let's do this. And then big box. Of course, we need the bags, so it's these bags. This is the things, boys. These are the bags. I think I'm just gonna open up one. You don't need to see everything because it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, there we are. Hey, this thing is, yeah, these are the bags, boys. I don't know what else to say, but these are what's gonna take the car up and down. They're gonna compress. Is it compress, depress? But it's pressing somewhere there. Oh guys, there's so much things. I don't even know what they are, but I guess these are the harnesses. Like I said earlier on, boys and girls, I don't know what everything is, but this is all that we have. Can you guys tell what this is? Yeah, I also have no idea what it is. Maybe you guys know. And guys, I don't want to fill it with so many things, but yeah, I'll just say harnesses and clamps and bolts. but it seems like it should be all that we need. So yeah, picking up this box. What's in here? There's a small box. Oh, this is the remote. But yeah, this is the whole lift up, down. Yeah. Okay, this is more wires. Guys, I have no clue what these things are, but you guys go ahead and let me know what it is. But I think this is where the airlines go into. It's probably front left, front right, rear left, rear right. So yeah, that's that. I'm sure you guys can tell that I am completely clueless about what we have here.
You're goddamn right.
And we have more switches. I think these are switches. I don't know if the camera is focusing, but yeah guys, that's that. And you guys know what this is, right? I'm just open it up for you guys to see. So these are the shocks, boys and girls.
One eternity later.
Oh my god.
So yeah guys, it's a Tabao shock. Yeah, we have two of those. There's that. It's an FRLAR. I don't know what that is. Looks like a fuse. I don't really know what it is, but that's that. Like I said to you guys earlier on, I have no clue what I'm dealing with here. There's one bulb, some type of wire harness, and this red boy, that's a gauge. It shows you the bar, the PSI that the tank has. And then, boys and girls, something that has been opened already, not by me. It's the compressor. So guys, there is the compressor. So we just take it out of the plastic. So guys, the system is, I guess it's gonna be using one compressor. I think we might, maybe not, I don't know, I have no clue what I'm talking about, but maybe eventually we might get a second compressor. I think for the efficiency of it, or to make the whole system ride better, we might get a second compressor. So yeah, that's that. And there's more things inside. Got some sponges, there's more hardware. Yeah, I'm not gonna be opening this up, but yeah, that's that. More hardware, screws and nails, clamps, and another extra airline, and a dope sticker. Found it art. Nice. But yes, boys and girls, I think we are gonna upgrade the system eventually. Maybe get double bellow bags. Maybe upgrade the management system, maybe get another compressor, maybe also do like hard lines instead of these airlines, but we don't know. But for now, just gonna install it as is, and then we'll see what's what. Neighbors' kids are playing outside. But yes guys, I really hope you can still hear me, and yeah, that's the whole air setup. That's all that we have. Please let me know if we need anything else besides what we have here. I don't know what I'm missing, but yes, that's it guys. So yeah guys, that's the whole air suspension kit. I don't even know what half of all of this is, but you guys might probably know. So yeah guys, right now, since we know what we have, I'm just going to inquire with air suspension fitters or installers and see where I can get it installed. But for now guys, well, there it is. But I really hope you guys are excited to fit the air suspension kit. Yeah, I really hope you guys are excited. Please don't forget to click those like buttons and subscribe, and yeah. I think my nieces is knocking on the door. So that's time for me to leave, guys. See you guys in the next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed or liked the unboxing video. But yeah, guys, it's really hot in here and I'm really tired and I'm still not feeling well. I'm still feeling a bit sick. So let me not stretch the whole entire video, guys. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Peace.